What is really special about TEDxBryantU is that we're taking our own talent, our own ideas in the community. We're not only sharing it amongst ourselves, but spreading it with a greater audience.
TEDxBryantU definitely inspires students to excel here on our campus community. I mean, you watch the event and you see 2 students already up there that are speaking about things they're passionate about, and I think that's so important for Bryant to keep pushing with their students. Students are here, faculty are here for a reason because they align with the mission of Bryant University, but when they themselves can come together and share their own ideas and their own missions and their own purposes with each other and relate to that on a deeper level, I think it's super important and it brings everyone in the community even closer.
I've planned a few events at Bryant, but this was truly the most rewarding experience for me, not only leading a team of students and helping me refine my leadership style, but it also helped me to understand how connected we all are. Although the ideas were very different, they all became part of this one united theme, which was innovation. Whether innovation is good or whether innovation is not so good, you were able to see it from different perspectives, which is exactly what Bryant is. It's a diverse community coming together based on not just business ideas, but also liberal arts as well.